Okay guys, just received these chairs from Amazon for review, and I wanted to come on here to show you guys what they look like. So first of all, it does have like the leather exterior. It definitely feels like a material that even if you get food on it or drinks, you can easily just wipe it off. So that's amazing. And then it does have iron legs, or actually metal. I'm not sure if it's iron. I think it is iron. But it does have really strong legs, and then this part is also iron too. So let me just show you guys a closer look. So this is the side. Those are the legs. And then this is the back. Just wanted to walk you guys through on the building process of it. It was pretty simple. It comes with this part, the legs, and then the side parts. And you pretty much just have to go step by step, put it together. I think it only has like 4 steps. So yeah. I am 5'8". I'm 150 pounds, and this is me sitting on the chair. And it is very comfortable, actually. It is really nice that it has this armrest, but I would say it is a bit like of a tighter chair. I mean, it is perfect for me for a dinner table, but if you are a larger individual, you might be a bit squeezed in there. But yeah, this is a great little chair, like kind of like an accent chair, or like 2 conversation chair next to each other. Or you can use it as a dining table chair as it was intended. You just need to get more than 2. But yeah, definitely recommend this. I think the iron will make it last a long time, and it's very, very stable as well. And if you're in the market for dining chairs, you should go check this out on Amazon.